Kingman Highborn has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. According to Kingman Highborn, the first one is a dragster. He hasn't named it yet. The jet engine is 2 old Space Marine shoulder pads and the end caps from super glue bottles. Then I have the Termite, made from the little car you sent me and the wooden wheels and wooden ram. Bit of a joke car with its small size, so I tossed some googly eyes on it for fun. The bright orange car with HMG, oil droppers and front ram is the MADador, Warden prison vehicle. The blue and teal van is Mjolnir with nuclear engine, tank tracks, and arc lighting projector. Coming up after this is American Punk, his favorite of the bunch. He left the original Swoop Coupe tampos on the side, rebuilt the dented roof with the thin metal from a coffee can lid folded, glued, and sanded to shape, then added the rocket launcher to make the mohawks on the Terminator skulls. That was rubber bands cut because they bent and fit perfectly on the skulls. Next up was 99 Problems, a Maxine truck with HMG and armor plating. After this is Ram Hopper. Gave 99 its spoiler, so I gave it a mortar and fit some Native American crew in place. Coming up after you see this one is Sloppy Joe, a truck with RC car bombs, rockets, and absolutely no safety equipment, except some ropes to hold on to. Took that futuristic truck and made it into a rusty old-looking jalopy that's probably doing farm work but not in a death race. Also kind of reminds me of a factory electric Cushman truck. Next is Big Red's War Tabby, Michigan build with a house cat driver wired to the machine, so it has human level intelligence, a ram, dropper, and magnum. The orange and black card doesn't have a name yet. Might look up some D&D named dragons. But Tutterid, bazooka, and oil slick dropper to put hazards on enemies. Good Miyazaki or Maxine car, really. And then since he had his own Dune Daddy casting and he got mine, he decided to make these two into a trouble-causing pair. Pretty fantastic builds all together. This was great. I love this stuff, Kingman Highborn. Everybody check out his YouTube channel. I hope you like these builds as much as I do. It looks like you had a lot of fun doing this too, which is the main thing. Thanks for taking the challenge. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.